तू अभी इंग्लिश में बोल,
Okay.
मतलब मुझे याद
Okay.
रहे।
Okay. 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 So the
Mental
next part
status.
is mental status examination, MSE. MSE में we will try to know the mental status of the person by asking several questions and by observing the patient.
पेशेंट, यस।
और इसके mnemonic में we will examine several aspects of mental status, and the aspects are the mnemonic is a beautiful mental status. Always please customers, provided of course
इट्स
it's
जस्टिफाइड।
justified. ठीक है,
Okay.
तो a beautiful mental status हमने like what are the aspects we are trying to examine is appearance, behavior,
मेंटल,
motor, speech,
हाँ,
affect and mood,
Thought
process, thought content, और इससे क्या था, perception,
ओरिएंटेशन,
cognition, insight and judgment.
जजमेंट।
ये चीज़ें हम पता करने वाले हैं.
Yes.
These are the things we are going to examine.
ओके।
So the few first things, we are observing the patient and knowing this. For example, for these we are not necessarily asking some questions. We can also, but we are observing just the patient. We can observe the appearance. We can observe the behavior, the motor movements which are abnormal. For example, he's shaking his leg,
hand,
or speech, slurred speech, or overlapped speech, or very fast speech. This kind of things. हाँ.
slurred speech, overlap speech,
रुक के इंटरमिटेंट स्पीच जो बोलते हैं,
हाँ.
है ना, इंटरप्टेड स्पीच बोलते हैं. तो ये चीजें, these things we can just
observe and
just observe, right? We need not to ask some questions related to it. Although we can ask, for example, in motor, he is shaking his leg, so we can ask like, why are you moving this? Can you tell me about this? Like how long you are moving like this? Are you now nervous, or it's like your habit or something? So you can ask question related to abnormal motor movements also.
yes.
And related to appearance and behavior, you have to observe like what kind of appearance he has. He has a shabby looking, like unhygienic thing, है ना, या फिर very neat and tidy ऐसे करके, हाँ.
well dressed up.
तो वो उसके psychological, like he is not interested in anything, so he is not interested in making,
Combing
you know,
his
keeping himself up also like that.
हाँ.
तो इस चीज़ों के बारे में बताता है हमको.
Appearance.
Like it tells about the psychological condition of the person, right? Okay. Motor and speech also.
behavior
में हमने क्या बताया था उसका?
behavior
For example, yeah, how interested he is in with the conversation. He is very much involved, or he is not in, it's called uninhibited, like he is detached. जोन आउट हो जाता है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ जेंजी टर्म, जो जोन आउट हो जाता है बार बार में, आप बात करो लेकिन जोन आउट हो जाता है, कुछ अलग ही सोचने लग जाता है, एब्सेंट माइंडेड. तो आप उसके बिहेवियर के बारे में बता रहे हो. तो दीज आर द थिंग विच यू ऑब्जर्व नॉर्मली ड्यूरिंग द होल कन्वर्सेशन. इसके लिए आपको स्पेशली सवाल पूछने की जरूरत नहीं होती. ओके. द नेक्स्ट इज अफेक्ट एंड मूड. Mood, you will ask, how are you feeling these days? Are you happy? Are you sad? You know, are you emotional? Feeling emotional these days? Like, है ना? ये तो हो गई कैसा फील कर रहा है वो. And what is affect?
रो रहा है वो भी, क्राइंग भी.
Affect, वो affect के अंदर आएगा. Affect is your facial expressions and your speech that suddenly change. आपकी स्पीच सडनली चेंज हो रही है, आपका टोन अचानक से बदल जा रहा है ना. पहले आप
सडनली यू आर एंग्री,
exactly,
सडनली यू आर स्टार्टेड क्राइंग,
सडनली लाफिंग इन एनी क्वेश्चंस. ऐसा आपको वीडियो दिखाएंगे ना, मैम वगैरह वीडियो दिखाएंगी वो यूट्यूब पर, उसमें वो औरत है वो अचानक से हंसने लग जाती है बिना किसी बात के. दैट इज अफेक्ट. अफेक्ट भी 2-3 प्रकार के होते हैं, मेरे को याद नहीं एग्जैक्टली, पर 3 प्रकार के होते हैं अफेक्ट भी. देन यू विल नो अबाउट द थॉट प्रोसेस. थॉट प्रोसेस में यू विल गिव अ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट सेंटेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल एनी इडियम और प्रोवर्ब. फॉर एग्जांपल बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद, जो भी है ना.
उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
इडियम और प्रोवर्ब. idioms or proverbs. You can
Proverbs.
give any abstract statement, you can just give, and you will ask the meaning of that sentence. So आपको या तो literal मतलब बता सकता है उसका, he will
inner
tell
meaning
the
of the sentence,
literal meaning or what it actually means.
हाँ.
ठीक है, वो
So if
बता
the
सकता है.
patient is able to say it, then he is like.
So you will know the thought process, how he thinks. And next is
from
thought
this we'll
content.
get to know the thought process of the patient.
In thought process you will know how he thinks. Sorry, yeah, exactly. In thought process you will know how he thinks, and in thought content you will know what he thinks actually. So
how he thinks and what he thinks.
Okay. In thought content you will ask questions like, what do you think, God exists? What do you think about ghosts? They exist? What do you think about the origin of the universe? है ना? What do you think you have any special powers like that? तो ये हो गया वो क्या क्या सोचता है ना? ये हो गया. The next thing is perception. अब easy हो गया बिल्कुल. Perception के बारे में. Perception वो आपके environment surrounding को कैसे perceive करता है. जो है वही दिखता है या फिर you will ask questions like do you hear some abnormal voices?
Five senses.
हाँ, exactly. Do you see something which others cannot see? Yeah. Can you talk to God? ऐसे करके ऐसे सवाल पूछना उससे है ना?
You feel anyone is
touching
behind
you, touching you, है ना?
tactiles.
When you're हाँ, exactly.
And
तो ये चीजें हो गई. Or you can feel any taste.
Sweet taste, sour taste.
Any abnormal sensation through these five senses. Okay. Next is cognition. Cognition देखने के लिए you can ask questions related to short-term memory, long-term memory. For short-term memory, you can give any 5 words in the beginning, and after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you can ask the same thing. For the long-term memory, you can ask what did you eat last day, है ना, yesterday, or what was the last movie that you watched, right?
When did you go last time outing?
Last trip or last marriage, wedding, whatever you can ask. Okay. So this is, or you can ask him to ask any calculations. For example, you can just ask 10 plus 30 plus 40, what is the total? Or you can ask him to count. It's concentration देखने के लिए. You can ask him to count from 100 to 90 backwards. तो ये cognition includes many things like memory also, calculations also, and concentration also, focus.
Orientation छोड़ दिया क्या तूने?
नहीं. परसेप्शन के बाद में ओरिएंटेशन नहीं बताया क्या मैंने. परसेप्शन हो गया. परसीव कैसे करेगा? ओरिएंटेशन छोड़ दिए. चलो ठीक है. परसेप्शन, कॉग्निशन, देन ओरिएंटेशन. ओके.
नहीं, उसका चार्जिंग खत्म हो गया, चार्जिंग लगा दो.
ओरिएंटेशन हाउ द पर्सन इज ओरिएंटेड टुवर्ड्स द टाइम, स्पेस, टाइम, प्लेस एंड द लोकेशन. टाइम, अभी क्या टाइम हो रहा है, and the surrounding, who is like who is the person who he is talking to. You can ask the question what time of the day it is.
You know who I am.
What's your name? What's my name? Who I am and where are you sitting? In which city you are? ऐसे सवाल आपसे पूछ सकते हो.
Okay.
Next thing is insight and the judgment. What is insight? How he know about himself. Exactly. You can ask him questions like do you have any problems? Like, do you think you have any problems, or you think you are fine? Do you think you need any kind of help? Or no, you are perfectly fine, you don't need any help. है ना? So this kind of questions you can ask to him.
Yes.
And judgment. The last thing is judgment. Judgment is you can give any moral or ethical situation